What's going on, guys? Adam Snyder here with the Homemade Entrepreneur, and yes, today is my birthday. I actually turned 31 years old, so if you want to just wish me a happy birthday down in the comment section below, I'd really appreciate that, but you don't have to. Today is about you, okay? Every single time on my birthday, okay, September 14th, every single year, okay, probably for the past 4 or 5 years, I try to give back to other people, and that's exactly what I'm going to do today. So down in the description box below, there's discounts to 5 of my courses. Okay, I'm going to walk you through those in just a second. But here's my message for you guys. Everybody on their birthday is always, looking to get a gift, or a lot of people are. My gift is not personally for me. My gift is for you guys. I want to teach other people how to make money, how to live the best lifestyle possible, because that's something that I've been fortunate enough to have. I have an incredible life. Okay, I have a great family. I have all the money I need. Okay, everything is just perfect in my business, or at least in my eyes, it's perfect. Couldn't be any better. But I know there's a lot of people out there that could use a little bit more money, could use a better lifestyle, could use some help in their online business. And that's what I want to do today. So here's what I got for you guys, right? So if you don't remember last year, okay, I offered a discount. The discounts I'm offering this year are even greater, all right? So right now, September 14th and probably part of September 15th, 2018, you can get my Affiliate Marketing Monsters course using the link down in the description box below. You can get it for 75% off. That means it takes it from $299 down to $75, all right? Same thing with my Amazon FBA private label course. See it right here. Takes it from $399, take 81% off of it, and you get it for only $75. Yes, it's lifetime access. You get everything. Plus, on both of these, on every single one of my courses, you get unlimited email support. So you ask me a question, I help you out. I help you pick a product, help you with your affiliate marketing, landing pages, conversions, whatever you need, running ads. I help you with that. Okay, that's one of the things I do, because I personally feel that a course is not enough. Okay, it doesn't matter how great the course is, there's always something missing. Every single person is different, so I offer unlimited email support, and that's exactly what you're getting. So $75 for this course, $75 for this one. Okay, also my Learn to Wholesale on Amazon FBA course, normally $99. Today you get it for $40. That is a $59 discount. Okay, so go get it. If you ever want to learn how to do wholesale on Amazon FBA, I show you how to do it. I walk you through the process, show you some of the tips that I use, some of the tricks that I use in order to get approved for all these different wholesale accounts. Also, I have 2 courses right here. This one's just one of them, but you have to use the coupon code. I think it's like Happy B Day. Okay, I'll put it down in the description box below. So this is my $10,000 per month living the freelance lifestyle. What I show you here is how to make $10,000 per month as a freelance writer. However, I show you how to hire other people to do the work, and you just make the difference. Okay, so I show you how to become a passive, run this freelance lifestyle business. However, it's a passive income. Okay, because you hire all the people to run it for you, and all you do is send them the checks. Very simple. Okay, this is normally $40, and today and probably a little bit of tomorrow only, you can get it for 50% off or $20. And then the last one, 40 profitable items every reseller should know. It's normally $10. I'm gonna cut this in half to 5, and this one again, the discount code is Happy B Day, and again, I'll put that down in the description box below. So the last thing I just want to say, here on this video, here on my birthday, is this past year has been incredible. Okay, I don't really look at the year as January 1st through December 31st. Yeah, most people do. I like to look at September 1st all the way back to September 1st every single year. And this past year has been incredible, and largely in part to you guys. Okay, you guys have really been supporting the Homemade Entrepreneur channel. I've been lucky enough, or privileged in my opinion, to coach and teach thousands of people through affiliate marketing, selling on Amazon, doing print on demand, doing social media marketing, okay, running niche websites. There's been and that's just part of it, selling courses, YouTube, all this stuff, okay. I think I've been lucky enough to, meet some of you guys, to physically go to your, house, something I don't do a whole lot anymore, but it's something I've been lucky enough to do in the past. Doing coaching calls every single week with a bunch of different people. I feel I've been, lucky enough to, meet you guys, to hear your story, to help you guys out, to teach you not only how to make a couple $100s a month extra, which is going to pay for your car payment, maybe put some food on the table for you and your family, but also I've been lucky enough to teach you guys how to quit your 9-to-5 job, put money aside for college. And it's something that I feel is my duty. That should be my job. Is if I've been lucky enough to get to where I am, been fortunate enough to make the kind of money I have, you got to give back. And that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing today. Is it's not all about me. I might go out to a lunch or a dinner with some family and friends. That's it. I don't like presents. I don't like surprises. Okay? But what I do like is I like to give back. I like to show people that it's not just about me making money. I want to teach other people how to live the same lifestyle that I live. And it's not that hard. It's not like it's an impossible task. It's not like it's something that you have to be rich, you have to be famous, you have to be some guru or expert to know. It's something that I want to teach you. And that's why I like to offer these discounted courses. And for me, doing it on my birthday seems like a great time. Okay? Beginning of September, people are getting back into the whole swing of things. They're out of summer. They're ready to make money. They're getting ready for the holiday season. That's what it's all about. Okay? So if you guys have any questions, let me know down in the comment section below. If you want to wish me a happy birthday, do that down in the comment section below. I'm always glad to read them, read what you guys have to say. If you want to get a course, get a course. Okay? Like I said, there's going to be no better discount than right now. I do have other courses coming out. There will be discounts on those. So if you want to be, I have one on print on demand, have one on creating courses, have one on YouTube. Okay, I have a few others that I'm working on right now. I should be done fairly soon. So make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't done so already, so you don't miss out on any of those. But hit that thumbs up button. Okay, just hit that thumbs up button so it just shows me that you appreciate what I'm doing here on YouTube. And yeah, see you guys on the next one.